pay Jayden before him do nothing. How you fi get up in morning early and go tie out boat? Amigo.
Right that.
Jaja.
That's how you have to understand, say, them a try distract the call, like you say, Jayden love money too, you know. You have to try remember that, you know.
Right. No, sir.
That's how them a try to paint a picture like Jayden love money, so Jayden will do things for
Same way
money.
this way.
Yeah.
Oh, him say that. Remember him say, him king Jayden up a perk road, cause I up to them there all long.
He say how long they up there, I wait for him, I wait. They never say search him, they say I wait for him.
You want to look like Jayden, you have go time we go do things for money. That's how them a mention about money.
Search and wait are two different something. Search and wait are two different something. Search and wait are two different something. I no search and search for him. I wait for him. Remember that. One a W and one a S.
Listen, them can't wait for him and make a man, cause the camera.
Jesus Christ.
But from up at the corner, which part me ask you, I've dropped the Google map on the screen since night, you know. Mega man.
Jesus have mercy. That you can't tap to.
Did not came home. They said they went in the village to search for him. So how would them man know that Jayden went on Perch Road to search for Jayden? Because he might contradict himself.
You went out them Friday. You went out there Friday. Where you gonna search for Jayden from? And I should have go to the gang and check your cousin. You went out of Perch Road Friday. Where you gonna gang and search for Jayden from? Where you gonna search for Jayden Friday from?
To search for Jayden, who would have given on information that time?
That the time then, who would have given information at the time? You ask Christ, you know, say, don't be just for them to kill it if you then kill it, you know?
When these people are out there searching for Jayden, so who would have given
Friday.
them the information that Jayden was on Perch Road if they didn't know? Say at them tell Jayden to meet them on Perch Road.
So that for sure you said Jayden never did go to school.
Never.
That for sure you said Jayden never did go to school because here when him say him go out there Friday. You pick up yourself left and out there. Jayden there school say you're gonna link Jayden, but you find yourself upper Perch Road. I wait kind of search at first. I wait for him upper Perch Road. So how all of a sudden you turn around and make it look like I said Jayden come to school and missing. I'm missing me. You hear me tell the people in the life say Jayden no go no school, and them make it look like I said Jayden go to school. They have Jayden name of school, a Jayden bag of school, Jayden uniform, Jayden shoes, Jayden book and pencil, Jayden in name Jayden go to school. And in name see me go to school. Jayden body no make it to school. Think man a damn idiot when man a tell you something. Think man a idiot. Jaja, you see that? Think man a fool when man a talking. Think man a idiot. You know why you nothing more. Every time I find TikTok, I can't explain expectations there. I know. They never make it. Tell you. You left your yard, go out. Me left my yard, now if you go meet. Fantastic panitown. When me there in a bush, I search for. When me there in a bush, in a common, a hillside, I search for fantastic. And me know say fantastic work at KST. I will school there at KST. When me there in a woodland, I search for Desiree for.
By the time we get the car now, we come up a Perch Road. And then say Jayden gone. We are searching all a Perch Road, go to Perch. Go to every single place on a Perch Road.
Jesus Christ. God, the boy are wicked and bad, you know. The boy are wicked and bad. A Friday, they say people go missing, you know. Why people not come in, you know. So, what them a whole heap of search a call for? What them a bag of search a call for? Eh? Backside. One of them people really understand, man. Yes, and then there's something that gonna take the fuck up people brain. So no take Jayden from Jayden a 5-year-old and 6-year-old. Gonna show up how no good to Jayden. You wanna fit good on one by one, you know, man. You know when me know, and me know when me do that listen for.
most of my stuff we see on TikTok, you just heard. People see you kind of concerned and people are speaking. No.
So now search to Jayden before Jayden missing.
Then people need to go with situation.
All woman know in this show the old woman Jayden Fisher just the old woman say she see man you know tired.
Look here, me confident in my heart. Say Jayden never make it to school. Yo, mama tell you something. That the old woman there, we say him say Jayden, make me go no something now. I look like you don't know something. That old woman there we are come down the road. Then only for Manchester Pitney, then there are old woman can say one old woman say him to Jayden. And Jayden look tired. Jayden book him up and stop him and say, old lady, and me name Jayden. And me name Jayden. And me tired. Jesus Christ. How Jayden, how the old woman then know say that blue boy the name Jayden.
The old woman.
Oh, that's when time.
You know how you see Jayden face fishy and he could even see the old Jayden. How you see Jayden face if Jayden tired and everything. Jayden talk to her?
They must search for Jayden before Jayden.
I just alibi man because there's no old woman in the picture.
Me tell you no, say Jayden no going to school.
You know why they use an old woman because they know say tomorrow morning to come and then fit draw for the old woman I go probably say you know pay by they don't know if you find it.
And keep people looking, keep people looking.
Yeah.
Yo, Chacha God, Father God, me thank you when you tell me say Jayden see me never make it to school. I turn up on this solid as a rock. You never go to school, Jayden. You never go to school. Jayden, you never go to school.
None at all.
Never go to school. Jayden, never go to school.
You know, leave out the yard, none at all.
Never.
No, let me tell you what I think is the issue here. This
Never.
is my thinking. Within the first 24 to 48 hours, I think the Jamaica Canterbury Force did.
Jayden left Ghana school. Jayden left Ghana school. It's Thursday night, Friday morning. Jayden left Ghana school. You the yard and you no go to school, because you go to school. In the evening, you go out pan the town. And you turn up Perth Road and one lady tell you say him see Jayden, one old woman tell you say him see Jayden. Jayden say look tired and you search Jayden that a Friday evening that Jayden no missing.
72 hours. Get a warrant out and get the cell phone. Because I think the girl said she left Jamaica on Wednesday. They had ample time at that time.
This your boy I say Shanique left his Saturday. This your boy I say Shanique come down the Friday and left his Saturday. And Shanique said him left the Wednesday. And me said to Paul say look like Shanique coming to Jamaica but he have 2 departure of time. 2 departure of flight in hand.
When the police are going to do their investigation, it is too late. Because something has to happen within the home. Someone
something have to happen within the home. Okay, so your spirit a touch you now.
Plan it. And it have to be through their device. Because Shanique doesn't live in Jamaica. So every communication is through the phone.
A messenger they use.
With every evidence now.
A messenger them I use. They no use no straight call, nor no WhatsApp, nor no Vice messenger.
What are them curious about?
They can trace it, but they haven't. They all know me not hear them come out. Me not hear them come out at press conference. Like I don't hear nothing. We don't know. I'm not saying they're not working, but then we are.
The boy them are and Mr. T talk how we think go. Them are and Mr. T confess sneakingly. Them are and Mr. T.
Because we can't do it all by ourselves. We think we need to get the mother of Jayden. Find her.
Yeah.
Clean her up. And get her to go make a report about her child.
True.
And then they have to move.
Yes.
Whether they want to move or not, they have to move now because the mother now come in and she had
Why?
demand just
You know, say people never gone on school, you know. I mean, from me hear the argument, matter no say people never gone on school. Because I know when I look for people never gone on school.
Take her over to the commissioner office. Yes. The acting commissioner office. So we have gone bypass the regular police them and bring her to the commissioner office and get the acting commissioner on board with this.
And our next question to Prince, why is it that we're not hearing nobody from Jayden mom's side of family? What's going on? Why there's, I heard one girl was on the show. Why everybody else is so silent?
You see, poverty is a crime. And the few people who maybe would have said something, I think they are intimidated by the other family, knowing that them have soldier in them family and them have this in them family and them portray to be money people. Because when I do the investigation in the community, I realize that everybody in the community in that section is saying the same thing that we are saying, that they sacrifice the youth. And that is why when they do the search, nobody know want to come search, because nobody now waste their time, because they know that the family would have disposed of Jayden. That is what I get on the ground the same day.
So they were wrong with 24/7.
Currently, like yourself, I'm considering your advice to me. And I told you, but you're not son, like, out of place in your mind. You lose someone. You kind of sound too calm. The argument casual.
But all of them sounded very same way, because I know I don't
Defensive. They sound defensive. Pushy. Let them push something to you for you believe it.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
You know why? It's a father who tells us. None of my youth the youngest son of 12 years old. If you want to miss, you want to know, so they can't eat sleep. What is it 2 weeks? They can't change the clothes.
When I tell you, I was school for 1 week. 1 week, I was school in a 4th farm. I was school for 1 week. Now you're in Jayden.
You never used to go to school, man.
You can tear down my father. You can tear down my mother. So let's stop it. When I will leave it to the police.
You know, see, I like that boy you tell. I like the boy you tell, you know. I reason the boy that give right this up to them, but look back because from day one, me on a case, I know. Nobody not tear down nothing, you know. Nobody not come out and say, Jesus Christ, Father, me tell yourself you can't sit down. You have to turn up, man. Boy, I really said them something out of your mouth, boy.
Anna said Mr. T made breakfast for Jayden the morning before he went to school. He cooked food for Jayden.
Healthy, yes, very healthy breakfast.
Thursday evening, before the incident, they were cooking. So when Mr. T went home the morning from
finished
hospital,
cooking,
the Friday
finished
morning, he finished cooking the food,
Yes, you hear
and
that
Jayden
something.
had a hot meal before he left to school. So how now Demar is going to say he was the one who made breakfast?
Jesus
I just
Christ.
want the family to
So you know glad saying
understand
so?
that we are on social
You know glad say
media
Demar
are
say
not
so?
nuts.
You know glad
We're
saying so?
stupid, and we have understanding. We are listening to everything that they said
Yes.
keenly.
Keenly.
There's only one size case that Jamaica. It's nothing to do with it. We pass on like day and night people out the prayer warrior. I pray so we have to pray the word again.
Are we them attacking?
You notice in the counter that Peter argument, the silent mean consent.
He couldn't fight that the argument there because him say him look at a breakfast for Jayden and your daddy say him look at a breakfast for Jayden, and by the time Jayden reach a school, the principal say Jayden and it like I said, I'm a 10-year now. You see how it's show, you see how them man. Tap and put this alive there, because I can't bother with them, I can't bother with them or something else. Can't bother with them or something else. Bother with them or something. Can't bother with them or something. It's just too hot.
Yeah,
Can't bother with them. Breakfast daily come. Look at the little boy Marga and that. Look at the little boy Mustard. I don't know if Jayden can weigh 70 pounds. If Jayden can weigh 70 pounds. And your grandfather, you're daddy cook food game. And your daddy come out the kitchen. And your daddy game. Big time when you have to dance school, high school lingo. And your daddy cook food with Jayden. You can't cook food with Jayden. Oh, you gonna people here, man. Some people are not liars, man. Dead now. Dead now, so we can't talk all of them to something. All about your look, fish you not do. Dead now. Dead now, so we can't talk all of them to something. All about